No cap.
Yeah, it's your boy Playboi Zuse, and I'm back with another. Whoa, let's redo that. Let's redo that. Yeah, it's your boy Playboi Zuse, and I'm back with the motherfucker. Yeah, sure, and I'm back. You feel me? Sorry that I have been gone. I'm not gonna make no excuses, but I've been getting to the bag, so I forgot about y'all. I'm sorry I forgot about y'all. I'm gonna teach y'all how to get the retwist, the DDG retwist your own dreads by yourself at home. You feel me? Easy, quick, simple. You feel me? Yes, I dyed my hair. Yeah, it look like a pack of noodles. You feel me? Ramen is sponsoring this video, so y'all go eat some ramen for me. You feel me? Every time you eat a ramen, you feel me? You save my hair. You feel me? That was not funny. But yeah,
this guy stinks.
I'm gonna teach y'all how to retwist this by yourself and stop paying that $60. You feel me? All you need is locking gel. Well, this is what I use. I use the locking gel. And I just caught this. Shout out to my boy Kid Law, the Kid Law, you feel me? They call him Law, you feel me? Shout out to Kid Law. He put me on to Cream of Nature. Well, this company, you feel me? Cause you know I got noodles, but I do have curls. Actually, like my hair is actually defined, you feel me? With curls. So I use this from time to time, just in case like if I want to take my dreads out, you feel me? I still have my curls, you feel me? I'm not making no sense, but don't listen. But yeah. Basically, I'm finna get to the video, man. I spoke too long, man. I'm back, you feel me? I'm finna drop a couple bangers for y'all. I got some heat, but now we got static for all y'all niggas, man. I got some static for y'all, you feel me? I'm finna teach y'all. I'm finna put y'all up on game, you feel me? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you dig? Alright, so what you're gonna need, you're gonna need some rubber bands, you feel me? You're gonna need some of these, and then you're gonna need some, I forgot what they call it, but I think they're called scrunch. Yes, you see white particles on it. That's from the dye that I use. I said dye, that's from the bleach that I use for my hair. I'm gonna need this to part your hair. I don't have a comb, so I'm gonna like part my hair with my hand. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that. Put y'all up on game. Put y'all up on game. Yes, again, you're gonna need this, the locking gel. You can use any locking gel, but I prefer Jamaican mango and lime. Why would you not prefer Jamaican mango and lime? Why wouldn't you? What do most Jamaicans have? Okay, then, let's get to the point. This is for the curly head for me, but this right here, it's a 7-in-1 leave-in treatment. This is not promo, neither is that. This is a 7-in-1 leave-in treatment. So it detangles and condition, heat protection, breakage defense. You know, all the frizziness in my hair, gonna chill that out, you feel me? It moistures dry hair, you feel me? With y'all hair like heart, but yeah, it prevents split ends, adds exotic shine. So your hair is gonna have that shine and bouncy look, you feel me? So we're gonna get into that, man. I'm doing too much talk. We're gonna get right into it. And another thing, if your hair grows too slow, you could cop this right here. You could cop this, but I wouldn't use it too much because your hair actually has its own like freaking oil, you feel me? But if you OD your hair on this, if you OD your hair, your scalp with this, your hair is gonna need more of this. It's not gonna produce as much as natural oils that it usually does. So don't try to OD on this. That's one thing. And when you got dreads, do not get the wet. I wet my hair already, you feel me? Cause I just got out of the shower. That's why you see all girls and whatever. But yeah, I'm finna get right into the video because I'm doing too much talking. We got 12 minutes. We're gonna get right into it. Alright, so we're gonna start. This is how it looks first, you feel me? So I'm gonna part it. So take basically your whole hand, you feel me? And just go straight down, you feel me? Go straight down, part this to the side. Now I'm gonna take all this, put it on this side. Alright, so I'm gonna start off here. Yeah, you see all the hair that I have. But yeah, alright, so my hair don't look right. I'm gonna get right into it. So I'm gonna start off with this. I don't have a comb to part it, so I'm gonna let me put this up for you guys. Alright, so basically right here, what I'm doing is I'm going to apply the gel, the locking gel to the hair. And I'm gonna apply it as of right now, and I'm gonna twist my hair the way that it naturally twists. Is like the way your dreads twist, like the way that it already twists, that's the way you gotta twist it, you feel me? So it could stay the same, you feel me? And Alright, so take one strand like this, hold it to the side, and then do the same thing to the other. So I'm gonna go this way. So I'm gonna take this right here. So I apply the gel to the roots, and then I start twisting from the roots and out. So twist it the way that your dreads twist, you feel me? I take that like that. I'm gonna do a couple for y'all, and then I'm gonna turn the camera off and finish them, because I don't have enough time, you feel me? I have videos stacked up in my SD card that I have for y'all. So I'm gonna just get these done and then show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all a couple of them. And then when I'm done, if you get what I'm saying. So basically it's like a 2-strand, but you're just doing it with dreads. And just keep going till you get to the end. Y'all see them noodles? I low-key wanna take my hair out again and make my dreads bigger, but Now take the rubber band. Alright, so that's one of them. We can do like 2 more, and I'll show you how the rest. Alright, so that's 2 of them. Feel me? This is the last one I'm doing, and then I'm gonna probably get this video off of my SD card so I can show y'all the rest. Alright, so that's 3 of them right now. Down, focus. Yeah, that's 3 of them right now. I'm gonna finish off the rest. Yeah, I gonna see like how it look, you feel me? Basically, this how it look right now, though. Glee. But yeah. I'll be right back. We got 2 minutes. Damn, we got 2 minutes. I'll be right back. All right, so this is the end. You feel me? It took a long while. It's probably like 3 or 4 o'clock. I'm about to go to work. But this is how it looks. You feel me? This is how it looks when you do it yourself. I do everything by myself, you feel me? Sometimes you just gotta do everything by yourself. You feel me? Instead of paying people. Yeah, instead of paying people, you don't gotta pay people to do it's something you can do by yourself. That's wasting money, you feel me? You gotta save that bread till you making more, you feel me? Now if you're making a lot of money, then yeah, you could do some bullshit like that. Go get your hair done every 2 weeks. Go get your shit styled every 2 weeks, but we ain't having it like that over there, you feel me? But yeah, this is the end of the video, man. If you stay tuned to the end, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Turn on post notifications, smash that like button if y'all want me to get recommended. And I'm out. I love y'all.
Shawty got my dick on my pants, so I had to put the stick in my hand. Pockets thinking like a brick full of bands. Nigga really sending hits on their mans. I can take a nigga bitch cause I can. Fry a nigga like he grits on the pan. How you say you with the shit but you ran? Now you looking like a bitch, not a man. Get her wet every day like a plant in a vase. I hit from the back and I grab on her lace. She eat up the dick like it's food on the plate. Call me the fuck, but she call you for steak. Ain't company bitch, you can't make that mistake. While nigga be sleeping, I'm fully awake. You can't live the dream if you ain't getting cake. And bitch, if you broke, then you losing the race. Free all my niggas who stuck in the cell, especially niggas who know not to tell. Fuck all them teachers who said I would fail. I been through the devil will never prevail. If I want the bitch, then I stay on her trail. You want the money, don't move like a snail. Beat on her walls like I'm hammering nails. Gon' run from the pussy till I hear them bells. She ride that D like a bike with new pads. Fuck her to sleep and put her to bed. Nigga don't tweet, just do what you said. You shoot at my feet, I shoot at your head. Yeah.